Imagine a world where architecture and nature merge as one, where every building breathes, radiates, and becomes part of the living universe. Geodomas domes rise above the horizon like luminous stars, reflecting humanity's desire to live in harmony with the earth, a futuristic vision. These aren't just buildings, they are marvels of sacred geometry, symbols of energy, harmony, and sustainability. Each dome is designed to be a sanctuary, filled with positive energy and vitality. Innovative structures. Crafted from advanced materials, Geodomas domes shimmer in sunlight, glow under the moon, and invite natural light to flow inside. Their transparent forms fill every space with life, nourishing body, mind, and soul. Harmony with nature. Each dome is a living microcosm, where innovation meets the forces of nature, a tranquil oasis, an escape from everyday chaos, designed for those who seek unity with the world around them, a sustainable future. Imagine future cities, green oases, where every dome becomes a living part of the ecosystem. Geodomas domes grow like futuristic trees, connecting us to the planet and to each other, domes as constellations, like stars in the night sky. Geodomas domes tell the story of our journey towards a better future. Beneath their radiant arches, we reconnect with the universe, feeling part of something greater, something eternal. Let your imagination soar. With Geodomas, the vision of tomorrow becomes reality, where every dome is a dream, and every dream leads us closer to a brighter, more harmonious world.